Court remands Atiku's son in cell. Aminu Abubakar was remanded in cell of Tinubu Chief Magistrates Court. The son of the former vice president was remanded for contempt. The court ordered the case stood down pending when he would produce the boy. For disobeying a court order, Aminu, the son of a former vice president, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, was on Wednesday remanded in the transit cell of Tinubu Chief Magistrates Court, Lagos. Aminu was alleged to have disobeyed an order made by Chief Magistrate Atiku on October 11 over the custody of 6-year-old Aminu Abubakar, who he was alleged to have taken away from the custody of his estranged wife, Fatima Bolorai. I had earlier ordered the respondent in the suit marked FCL/29/2017, between you, Abubakar to produce Aminu Abubakar at the first hearing of the case. News Agency of Nigeria, NAN, reports that when the case came up on Wednesday for the discharge of emergency, evacuation, protection order made by the court was informed that the parties were planning to settle out of court. In response, Bolorai's lawyer, Mr. Nwabazurika, denied receiving any notification from the respondent to settle out of court. Consequently, Chief Magistrate I cited Atiku for contempt for disobeying court order issued on October 11. She ordered that the respondent should be remanded in transit cell and the case stood down pending when he would produce the boy. NAN also learned that both Fatima and Aminu had divorced in 2011. The children were living with their mother, Fatima, with an arrangement that they should be allowed to spend their vacation with their father. However, when the children were on holidays in 2013, Aminu requested that they should be released to him to travel abroad for vacation and thereafter, refused to let them return to their mother. Meanwhile, a chieftain of the APC, Comrade Timmy frowned at the recent actions by two federal government agencies, the FIRS and the NPA. In a statement sent to NAGE.com on Monday, October 16, Comrade Frank berated the agencies for offering themselves as willing tools to frustrate the private business interests of Alhaji Atiku Abubakar. The Nigerian media was awash recently with stories that the federal government had terminated the boat's pilotage monitoring and supervision agreement that the NPA had with Intels Nigeria Limited.